a yoga flow, just stretching day. So we'll just get started with just some forward folds and then arm swings to go with it. So, all right, let's get our back nice and loosened up. Trying to focus on that breathing so we can get started with that too. Nice gentle arm swings. All right, so I'm going to be angled here, but starting here in standing position, I'm going to actually step my right foot forward, kind of like a lunge position here. And then you can go as low as you want to or as comfortable. If you need a chair handy, and then we're going to bring arms up, having those elbows toward your ears, chest out. Focus on that breathing. All right, we're going to turn that back foot, angle it a little bit, back into that lunge position, arms outstretched. You want to have your chest as open as possible inside here. Great, and then one of my favorite stretches. So elbow or forearm nice and gentle on that quad, and then we're going to reach up and over our head. Great, and back to that middle pose here. It's good to get up and stretch today. All right, turning that foot forward, we're going to take a step forward, hands high, back up a little bit. Really stretch out those shoulders. All right, then we're going to step forward with the left foot. I'm going to turn for you guys so you don't just see my back the whole time. So stepping forward into that lunge position. Again, arms high, elbows if you can, stack them, stacking your shoulders. Feeling a good stretch today. All right, turning that back foot. And again, leaning into the warrior pose. Chest open. All right, my favorite stretch. Forearm on that quad, reaching up overhead. Nice job. Right, back to our middle warrior pose. We're going to turn that back foot, stepping forward again. And then we'll just go back into those forward folds and just kind of pull down here. Simple stretches that you could do on a daily basis. Great, and then I'm actually going to end with just some stretches this way. If you need to hang on to something, I'm just going to alternate a little bit. Not great balance this morning. Try to keep those shoulders open. Nice stretch here. Do one more each way. And last one. All right. Great job, everyone. Have a good rest of your day.